G'day guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be looking at how to prepare for the Canton Fair. If you're joining me in Guangzhou at the China Import-Export Fair, or aka the Canton Fair, and you're looking for product ideas and you're joining us on the ground in China, then guys, this video is all about how to prepare for the Canton Fair. So things like, what do you need to bring? Okay, so preparation. What do you need to bring before the fair, and what are you going to basically do when you're at the fair? So this video, and I might be making a few other videos as well, is what you need to bring to the Canton Fair if you are joining me in China. So stay with me, we'll be back in a second. Hey guys, welcome back. All right, so first step, what you need to bring to the Canton Fair: comfortable shoes. Do not think dress shoes. Do not think about giving a professional persona out. All right, that's important. That happens at the fair. But in terms of comfortable, right, and comfortability, right, you want to be bringing sneakers or joggers or things like that. There's literally so much walking you will be doing every single day at the Canton Fair. There is 60 football fields of, like literally 60 football fields. If you put all the Australian football fields together, right, 60 of those combined is essentially how big this Canton Fair is. There is no way, and I can speak from experience, I've never seen every store there. All right, so, and neither will you, right? But you can certainly aim to see every booth there. All right, so wear comfortable shoes, so joggers, sneakers, bring some band-aids as well, because you're going to need them. All right, possibly. All right, a couple of other things: download the WhatsApp and the WeChat, and this is what suppliers use in terms of communicating with you. They might ask for your phone number, or they'll definitely ask for your email address, but really the best mode of communication is via a WeChat or WhatsApp. So on your phone, you can actually download those prior to coming if you have an Android or an iPhone, you can download those to your phone. So WeChat and WhatsApp, all right? And what they tend to do is they create these groups on the apps during the fair, and it's great for staying in touch and also communicating and brokering deals after the fair. We'll talk about that in a second. Money, take enough cash with you. A lot of people sort of want to be using their Visa and MasterCard. It's not accepted everywhere. It is accepted a lot, like a lot of places, but not everywhere. All right, so just be prepared. Bring enough cash with you. They love Australian cash, all right? You can get a cash at the airport if you want, but basically you do need cash, all right? Money exchanges are more popular than ATM machines. And don't forget, there's going to be a lot of people at these fairs, and you're going to be lining up to get money out of the ATM, which you don't want to be spending a lot of time. You want to be seeing products. You want to be going around the booths, getting product ideas. All right, you do not want to be stuck in an ATM. So bring some cash with you. In terms of food as well, at the Canton Fair, there is massive lines at the food court around lunchtime. Right, McDonald's, there's going to be like 300-400 people in line for McDonald's at the Canton Fair. So you've got a couple of options. You can bring snacks with you. I usually bring healthy nuts with me so I don't eat, overeat crappy food. Bring some sustenance sort of stuff, because there's going to be a lot of walking, a lot of exercise. You're going to lose some weight. I always tend to do when I walk a lot. But bring some nuts, bring some berries. You can buy that stuff before going to the Canton Fair. And in fact, outside our hotel, there's going to be options where you can buy a whole bunch of, healthy options, healthy snacks. All right, and I just snack during the day. So business cards. Now, here is where you need to pay attention. You need to bring a lot of business cards, at least 1,000. Jump on to vistaprint.com.au. You can bring a whole bunch of business cards from there. Here are a few other things. You can create a temporary or alias email address for your business cards. And you can actually put like aliases there. I don't know whether you know about that, but you can actually do it. You just Google it, how to create an alias. You can do it in Hotmail, you can do it in Yahoo, you can do it in Gmail. Because you don't want to be really giving out your real email account or email address. You can if you like, but just be aware there's going to be a lot of stuff coming your way. All right, so just be aware, if you're going to have business cards printed off brand new, just put an email address in there that you can eventually change later on or just delete, all right? Because you're going to get a lot of people, sending stuff to you, even unwarranted stuff. In fact, outside the Canton Fair, sometimes there's people who are paid on a per lead basis. They're basically just trying to get people's business cards to spam you. All right, and they get paid per email address. Okay, so there's stuff like that out there. You probably won't experience it, right? But there are stuff out there that do that. On your business card, it's good to have buyer instead of director. Reason being, if you're director, it makes it look like you're a small company. If you put buyer or buying agent or purchasing agent or purchasing department, you give the illusion that you are a lot bigger than you actually are. So just be aware of that, guys. Buyer. All right, so put that on your business card as well. And here we go, VPN. You're going to need a VPN if you want to use Facebook and Google and Twitter and all these other westernized services. You're going to need a virtual private network, right? So you can get a VPN. You can get a free one. Tunnel Bear is good. So Tunnel Bear, that's a free one. There's other ones out there. There's one that we've some of our students have used before. It's called Express VPN. All right, there's a lot of VPNs out there. You don't have to use these, but I use Tunnel Bear. I like Tunnel Bear, but there's a lot of them out there, right? So just be aware, if you want to use Facebook, if you want to jump on and use some of these westernized services, there's a lot of places over there in China, mainland China, that are blocking westernized services. So sometimes these 5-star hotels, they actually have a VPN in the hotel which enables you to access Facebook. But just be aware that stuff is blocked, so you're going to need a VPN to access it, all right? All right, so don't forget to contact an offer. So if you're dealing with a supplier right now and you're heading over to the Canton Fair with us, right, connect with them. Say, hey guys, I'm heading over to the Canton Fair. Are you going to be at the Canton Fair? If so, watch your booth. We'll make contact. Build that relationship up. If you haven't got any contact there at the Canton Fair, or if you reach out and say, hey guys, are you based in Guangzhou? Great. Arrange to meet the supplier at the premises, right? Check it out. Build that relationship up. Okay. You can even go a step further and get a virtual assistant to connect with, for example, suppliers on Alibaba. So, for example, if you know your product, for example, the pet niche, and a specific pet product, you can get them to research all the suppliers who are based in Guangzhou, who are going to be at the Canton Fair, to reach out to them and find out what their booth number is. Okay, you can actually do that and hire someone to go in there and do a lot of the legwork for you if you want. All right, if you want to meet them face to face. So bring a stapler and a workbook. I don't have a stapler here with me, but bring an exercise book, like a cheap, flimsy exercise book, so you can write down the names, the MOQs, the prices per unit. Then you get a stapler, you staple their business card. You then take a step further, get a camera and take a picture of you and the store, right? You can take a picture of the store, as in the whole store, right? Take a picture of the products. You can also take a picture of you and the owner. I do that all the time when I go to exhibitions, and it's more personal. So when you contact them later on WeChat or some sort of messaging service, you put a picture of yourself in there, they'll go, oh, that's right, I remember that particular lady or man, right? So there's more connection there, all right? So just remember, take a camera with you, and bring a battery pack for your camera, because I tell you what, guys, it's going to run low. So I've got a battery pack. This is a strong one. I got it from Target. It's like $70. And it does like 3 charges for my iPhone. So bring a battery pack with you, because there are docking stations there, but they're going to be used a lot by other people. All right, you don't want to be waiting in line to charge your phone, because again, it's going to be very busy at the Canton Fair. All right, it's going to be warm this time of year, 35 degrees. Okay, for the October fairs normally. I checked the weather out the other day. It was 33 degrees Celsius. It's going to be warm. I typically wear sort of linen. Completely up to you guys. Whatever, you can wear shorts, you can do all that sort of stuff. Just be comfortable. Joggers, trainers, be comfortable. And when you get in there, usually it's air conditioned, it's fine. But just think comfort, because it's going to be a long week. All right. And business cards, like I said before, bring heaps of them. All right. Now, in terms of getting your buyer's badge, this is what I need you to bring. I need you to bring your photo of yourself. Okay, so a passport photo. All right, so you need to bring that with you, a passport photo. You need to bring your passport. Okay, if you have multiple, whatever passport that we used to get your buyer's badge and your invitation letter, all right, you need to bring that along with you. All right, so make sure you bring that there, because we are going to be there on the day using that. Okay. So yeah, just bring that. Okay, bring your bring your passport as well. We're also going to need you to bring. What else was there? What else? I'm trying to think here. There's a few other things. For the time being, I think that might be all right. But guys, that's it. That's pretty much it. So just remember to bring those with you, those items with you. And it is going to be fun. It is it's definitely one of the most exciting things you can do, especially if you're looking for product ideas. And there's a lot we have in plan. Then we do a cultural night. We do a Pearl River cruise on the river. You know, we'll go out for dinner, which is incredible. There's wholesale markets we're going to be visiting. It's going to be an incredible experience. So I'm looking forward to seeing you there. It's going to be fun. And take care. Talk to you soon. See you in China.